Hello everyone, I'm Xavier, one of United Food Truck specialists. We are here to talk to you and to show to you what your company is all about and some of our best product and why we are number one in the country. So follow me, we will begin with this example. So this is an 18-foot food truck for a very special client of ours. This was originally designed to produce a kitchen that would be willing and able to produce Mexican food. Let's go inside and show you what we have prepared for this very special cuisine. We are now in the cave of the tiger. This is inside the kitchen, a Mexican kitchen that is, of our client's food truck. As you can see, here we have on your right, on my right, your left, a hood that is meant, custom made, to vacuum out of the kitchen's cabin all the smoke produced by all the kitchen's main products. Likewise, as you can see here, we have the fire suppression system that detects in less than 1 second any and all illicit fires to eliminate it in less than another one, while cutting off all the access of gas to the other machines. Quite extraordinary. As you see on your right, my left, we have an electronic menu that translates as a smart TV encrusted on the right flank of the truck. Here underneath, we have 2 under-counter refrigerators with a table that acts as a preparatory table of sorts. We have here a concession table meant to keep all the orders and to distribute them accordingly based on the concession windows, the shelves, the air conditioning unit, 15,000 BTUs, second to none. If you follow me, you will see on your left a grill top of the line meant for you to be able to cook any sort of steaks, burner stove with nothing less than an oven, factory new condition, all accompanied with their respective warranties. This is what the Americans called all the whistles and all the trimmings. Here you have, of course, the steam table with 2 wheels and the famous flat top, which in this case is 36 inches wide, with a chef base, which as you can see, can keep inside refrigerated and frozen pieces of meat to be able for the chef to place them directly on the flat tops. Immediately second one, and here, this is a top of the line Asper refrigerator. They will keep all the food placed inside cold during the entire step of a working day. If you follow me further, you will be able to see as well the complexity of our sinks, which produce for all the crews inside our client's food truck cold and hot water for them either to wash their hands here with a splash guard and here to rinse and wash plates, utensils, glasses of all sorts, again with both cold and hot water. If you look underneath, we use all the tactical areas of the kitchen to be able to place not only the water pump, water heater, but the water tanks. Now, this is for the clean water tank, and of course we have a dirty water tank that consists of the equivalent amount of the clean water tank plus an extra 15%. And here, this is what we call a preparatory table. This one, as you can see, has 15 compartments to keep, like Subway, tomatoes, spinach, pickles, everything cold, with a platform to prepare your salads and all your sandwiches. And underneath, you have 2 small refrigerators to keep more crudities and food cold and well preserved. Again, shelves, which are all custom made. Here, as you can see, those are grease traps. Again, fire suppression system, top of the line. We put a great deal of emphasis principally on the aspect of safety and control. So, we've seen the cave of the tiger, what we at United Food Truck are ever so proud of building. What about the outside appearance? That is one of our most endearing factor. As you can see here, not only do we preoccupy ourselves with functionality and quality of equipment, but of outside appearance, which in itself is one of the principal elements for our customers to attract clientele and therefore business. As you can see, we do the wraps of our clients as well. We install as well the awnings as per request. We put some light projectors that are multicolored and controlled with a remote control. And likewise, as I mentioned earlier, and nothing less than an electronic menu to attract the attention of our clientele. So there you have it. We have functionality, safety, and appearance. That is why United Food Truck, in a fierce battle, has managed to win on a national level multi-million-dollar contracts, among which with people like Wendy's, against well-reputed opponents who were not able to match our quality, our speed, and our safety factor offered to our clientele. Again, this is Xavier from United Food Truck. We hope to see you soon and to work on your project.